Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this episode, we'll review how to protect your Arizona small business by unlocking the full potential of general liability insurance. Running a small business in Arizona is not easy, especially if you want to ensure customer satisfaction while managing difficult operations. The last thing you want to worry about is unexpected mistakes that could put everything you've built in danger. That's where general liability insurance comes in, as it is a safety net to protect your business from potential financial ruin. Plus, it also gives you a well-deserved peace of mind. But how exactly does it work? What are its benefits? Let's find out together. First of all, let's understand what exactly is general liability insurance. Arizona General Liability Insurance is a popular type of commercial liability insurance coverage, with policies that often cover personal and property damage. Its coverage also works for advertising harm, which includes libel, slander, and copyright violations. Coverage details vary, so it's always best to choose the policy that best matches your company's liability requirements. Now, let's analyze what is included in Arizona General Liability coverage. If your company faces a covered lawsuit for physical injury, property damage, or advertising injury, your Arizona General Liability Insurance policy will normally cover legal defense costs as well as any awards or settlements up to the policy limits. The policy may also cover medical expenses without litigation. This coverage extends to some injuries sustained by third parties, such as consumers. Although Arizona General Liability Insurance is necessary, it does not cover every type of coverage that a business may require. In addition to Arizona General Liability Insurance, businesses often require commercial vehicle insurance, workers' compensation, and other critical coverage types. Depending on the size and extent of your company, you may also require directors and officers liability insurance, employee practices liability insurance, and other coverage options. However, general liability insurance is an essential layer of protection that most companies should not forget. Next, let's review what professions need general liability insurance in Arizona. If you own a business in Arizona, you'll benefit from having insurance regardless of the type of business. If a non-employee slips and falls as a result of workplace danger, or if you accidentally damage a client's property while working in their house, the last thing you want to do is pay for the damages yourself. Some of the professions that need general liability insurance in Arizona include handymen, advertising and other creative design workers, carpenters, contractors, cleaners and janitors, landscaping, janitorial services, housekeepers, among others. You might be wondering, why is Arizona General Liability Insurance so important? If you've never been sued before, you may feel you'll never face a lawsuit, but that's a dangerous assumption. Lawsuits are actually common, and they can come from actual or perceived injuries. If you are sued, whether or not the court deems your company guilty, the defense fees can be a significant financial burden for your business. General liability insurance can cover these defense expenses. Moreover, if your company is held accountable, general liability insurance can cover the damages awarded according to the policy limits. Instead of worrying about how a lawsuit may affect your business, you can rest easy knowing that it is 100% secured. And if a lawsuit does arise, you'll be able to resume business as soon as possible, knowing that your legal fees are covered. Lastly, what could lead to a general liability insurance claim in Arizona? Arizona General Liability Insurance usually covers property damage, bodily harm, and advertising injury. That's a lot of necessary coverage, and many scenarios could lead to a covered claim. For example, if your company is open to the public and clients, customers, or vendors enter your facility, you face risks regarding liability. Slip and fall injuries are common, and they can result in high medical costs and lawsuits. It doesn't take much to lay the groundwork for an injury. A ripped piece of carpet, a small pool of water, or an improperly positioned cord could all pose a tripping danger. If someone falls as a result, your company may be held liable. And this is just one common example. Bodily damage can happen in many ways, but you'll be protected if you have business general liability insurance. The coverage may cover medical expenses, eliminating the need for time-consuming and costly lawsuits. If a lawsuit is filed, the business general liability insurance policy can cover both defense expenses and damages. Remember, if you're looking to protect your small business from unforeseen events and lawsuits, our expert brokers are here to help you explore the benefits of securing the right Arizona general liability insurance. Do you want to open a business in Arizona? If you're serious about launching a business in the Gold Canyon state, think about the types of insurance you'll need. Being covered allows you to focus on building your business without having to worry about costly insurance claims. Even if you're just starting, you can get Arizona business insurance coverage that works for you with our help. Contact us at PJO Insurance Brokerage Arizona today to find the insurance you really need. Call us at 480-680-9951 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com.
Thank you for listening to the PGO Insurance Brokerage podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to performing above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.